Now let us see the second example. I have taken another example in order to explain the valence bond theory. The first step, we have to find out the atomic number of the central metal atom. The same central metal atom only I have taken. So the atomic number of nickel is 28. In the second step, we have to find out the oxidation state. The oxidation state of the nickel here is +2. Then we have to find out the electronic configuration. For the electronic configuration of nickel will be the same in the first case. So we have to take the outer shell or outer electronic configuration alone. Okay, the same thing only we have seen here. Okay, 3d8 4s2. So I have taken 3d8 4s2. Okay, then we have to see the oxidation state. Oxidation state we have find out, which is nothing but +2. Okay, so in this outer shell you have to minus 2 electrons. Okay, if it is 3 means 3 plus means you have to minus 3 electrons. Okay, so from this I am removing this 2 electron. Okay, so it becomes 3d8 4s0. Am I clear to you? Then we have to find out the nature of the ligand. Cyanide is the strong field ligand. Okay, if you see the spectrochemical series, it will be easy to identify the strong field ligand and weak field ligand. Okay, so we have to fill these electrons according to the half-half principle. So I have filled here, and 4s0 and 4p orbital is also empty. Then if it is a strong field ligand, what it will do, it will pair up the electrons. Okay, so pairing will take place. This electron will go here, it pair up this electron. So 3d8, and the next step you have to see how many ligands are attached with the central metal atom. 4 ligands are attached with the central metal atom. So we need 4 degenerate set. Okay, how many degenerate set? 4 degenerate set. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it requires, the ligand requires the 4 degenerate set to give the electron. Okay, or to donate the electron pair towards the central metal atom. Okay, so 3d8. Okay, if it pairs means one of the degenerate set from the 3d orbital is empty, and 4s orbital is empty, and 4p orbital is also empty. Okay, so only I have drawn 4 boxes here for 3d8 orbital. Then 1d, 1s, and 2p orbital is required to donate a electron from the ligand. Okay, so each ligand, 4 ligands means each ligand will donate a pair of electron towards the central metal atom. So cyanide, first cyanide atom will donate a pair of electron, again one more cyanide atom will donate a pair of electron, and so on so on. Okay, so the hybridization will be dsp2 hybridization. Hybridization will be dsp2 hybridization. For this, the geometry will be square planar. Again we have to see the, for magnetic property we have to see, is there any unpaired electrons. We have seen here there is no unpaired electron, all the electrons are paired, so it is diamagnetic in nature. Then magnetic moment we have to find out. If it is diamagnetic, the magnetic moment will be 0. Okay, so then the next one is coordination number. It is very easy to find out how many ligands are attached with the central metal atom. 4 ligands are attached with the central metal atom. So the coordination number will be 4. Hybridization already we have find out dsp2 hybridization. Okay, clear?